AI is making significant inroads into PCB manufacturing, improving yield rates and reducing defects. AI-powered systems monitor processes in real time, identifying potential issues before they escalate. AI vision systems inspect PCBs for defects with greater accuracy and speed than human inspectors. Early defect detection reduces waste and prevents faulty PCBs from reaching the final product.
Section 5 AI-enabled testing, faster and more accurate. Testing ensures each PCB meets specifications and functions correctly. AI automates testing, making it faster, more accurate and efficient. AI detects subtle defects, ensuring higher product quality and reliability. AI optimizes test procedures, reducing time and improving efficiency.
Section 6. Ethical considerations. Balancing innovation with responsibility. While the potential benefits of AI in PCB design are immense, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations associated with this technology. One concern is the potential for job displacement, as AI-powered tools automate tasks previously performed by humans. However, history suggests that technological advancements often create new job opportunities, albeit requiring different skill sets. It's essential to focus on retraining and upskilling the workforce to adapt to these changing demands. Educational institutions and industry stakeholders need to collaborate to develop training programs that equip individuals with the skills needed to thrive in an AI-driven workplace. Another ethical consideration is the responsible development and deployment of AI algorithms. AI systems are only as good as the data they are trained on, and biased data can lead to biased outcomes. It's crucial to ensure that AI algorithms used in PCB design are trained on diverse and representative datasets, minimizing the risk of bias and promoting fairness.
Conclusion: AI is poised to revolutionize the way we design, manufacture, and test PCBs, leading to significant advancements in electronics. From faster design cycles and improved performance to reduced errors and increased efficiency, the potential benefits of AI in PCB design are vast. However, it's crucial to address the ethical considerations, ensuring responsible AI development and deployment while preparing the workforce for the future of work in an AI-driven industry. By embracing AI's potential while mitigating its risks, we can unlock a new era of innovation and progress in electronics.